Hello guys, so today we will learn how to insert an equation in graph using OriginPro 2024. So first we will open the Origin. I am using OriginPro 2024 version. Now I will open the data file. Click on the file, open, and choose the folder, and then choose the type of file. Just click on the file and open. First draw the graph, control, insert the graph. Here is the graph. Delete. Yeah, so graph is ready. If you want to make changes in the graph, you can do it. I will not make changes because I am just showing you how to insert an equation. On the left hand side you can see a left bar with multiple options. Here you can see an equation symbol where there is a square root and written alpha or a. It also shows the message insert equation. So just click on this, then come onto the graph and just left click. Now a window is open, so you can choose type of equation you want. Also you can do editing of equation, right? Just click. There are multiple options, different kind of equations. So let's take very simple. For example, I choose anyone. You can choose like circle. This is the equation for the circle. So you can like make changes in the equations. For example, here it's x. I can choose it, for example, d, or small d. Yeah, so I have written d here, and you can see how it will looks like. Similarly, you can make changes, like I insert 6, here it's 6. So you can make changes according to your requirement. Then just click OK. The equation will be here. And another option here is how you want to insert the equation. First, I will not use any angle, insert as it. Yeah, equation is ready. Click and you can move, you can set anywhere. Then double click, again the same window is open, and I want to rotate like 45 degree this equation. Okay, click, and then you can rotate according to your requirement. Again double click, and again change the angle, for example 90 degree. Then the equation is like this, and you can insert here or anywhere according to your requirement. So then the final step, how you want to export this graph with an equation, is same just like the exporting the simple graph. Just click, copy as image, select the type of file, DPI, etc., and click copy, and then you can insert in your presentation. For example, yeah, here is a graph with an equation. So today we learn how to insert an equation in OriginPro 2024. This method is same for all other types or version of Origins. Thank you very much.